The video represents a data visualization of institutional performance over time, using bar and line charts. It shows the progress of 5 different batches. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Batch A to Batch E, across 6 months, Jan, June, and 3 projected years, 2025 to 2027. The bar chart, solid colored bars, represents the actual performance scores for each batch, while the line chart, lines with markers, illustrates the trend over time, making it easier to observe growth patterns. The dark theme enhances readability, and each batch has a distinct color for clear differentiation. The x-axis represents time, months and years, and the y-axis represents performance scores ranging from 0 to 100. The performance trends indicate a steady improvement across all batches, with Batch D consistently performing the best, followed by Batch A and Batch B. Batch C and Batch E show noticeable growth trends as well. The title credits Pradeep K. Suri as the author, researcher, and AI/ML architect, indicating that the data is an AI/ML-driven performance analysis. About Python program utilizes the Plotly library to visualize the performance of different batches over time, including a future growth projection from 2025 to 2027. It defines 5 batches, Batch A to Batch E, and assigns performance scores for each across 6 months and 3 projected years. Each batch is represented using bar charts for actual performance and line charts for trend analysis. The program assigns unique vibrant colors to each batch for better differentiation. The data visualization includes grouped bar charts combined with line markers, providing a clear comparison of batch performance over time. The program enhances visualization with a dark-themed layout, improving readability and aesthetics. The title explicitly mentions the AI/ML model's institutional performance. The layout includes custom font sizes, axis labels, and a grouped bar mode for better clarity. The use of opacity in bars and thick lines for trends makes the comparison intuitive. Thank you.